Alright guys, so at the moment right now, as Chris is doing his part of the video over there, we got the introduction already done with that, but currently we are going to be installing the DRL boards from RGBW Halokit on the Daytona. Adonis, thanks for coming to us, bro.
Hey, what temperature? Sorry to cut you off.
Temperature
Temperature for the headlights.
Temperature for the headlights, 245.
245 for
245. For 50, yeah, about 10-15 minutes.
Yeah, 10-15 minutes. And then
Yeah, so that's the temperature you want to have the oven set to, how long you want to keep the headlights inside there. That way the adhesive and the seals actually cracked and removed easily than having to apply too much pressure on the actual headlight. But back to the fog situation, let me get the... So yeah, you would want to remove these first. You actually don't have to remove the actual fog light lens. There's an actual hole on top of here. You can see it, that little top tunnel hole. All you have to do there is just literally cave it out with the drill bit. I would say like a half inch drill bit, make the hole bigger because the back's already a hole. And then the connection will just fit through there. Of course, the halo ring will just go through here, and then the cables will feed through there. Cherry cake, nothing really much to do there. And then of course, you put the cover back on, and those covers will be released from these back clippings. And that's the halo.
we'll blow the smoke.
All right, so now the point is, we got the hood off. We got the other one coming in. And at the same time that hood comes back in, he's back in the channel. Chris, what's going on? So give me the little details of the reason why we took off the hood.
So we took off the hood because we're gonna do the V6 swap, and we gotta refurbish the blinker fluid.
Yeah.
And
Make sure, remember, you gotta always check the blinker fluid. If you have just one, if you have one container, make sure you order another through the Mopar. So
yeah,
you always want to have a backup on the blinker fluid. Yeah.
And for those of them that don't know, this is dual snorkel right here. You got two areas.
Yep, just like that. All right, guys, last update. Last headlights going in, and then onto the bumper. Hood's finally done. Close all that done, wipe it down, and give you guys a preview of what the show looks like with the headlights.